Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Kingdom Come Deliverance DirectX12 error, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up the search bar and go ahead and type in Device Manager. Now once the Device Manager is open, you can make your way over to Display Adapters. From here, right click on your driver and hit Update Driver. From here you can go ahead and select Search for automatically for drivers, and what this basically does is that it just updates your drivers. Now if you want to update them through NVIDIA, like the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app, you can do so as well. Go over to GeForce Experience, go over to Not Now, well, just hit Not Now. Not Now. And then go over to drivers, and then you can go ahead and check for updates if there are any updates. If there are any updates, go ahead and update your driver. If not, then you're good to go. And if you're on AMD, you can do the same thing, either through the AMD equivalent app, or you can just go to Google and type in AMD drivers and install the latest one. Now, once you do all of these steps, you guys should be good to go. You can go ahead and restart your PC, and you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.